What do I do about season 3? Just Tom riding isn't epic enough. It needs to start in space? Wait! Then it needs to zoom all the way down onto the old man's house. Good. And then we need a voiceover? David Attenborough? Nah, we've already used him.
Hello, Sam.
Morgan Freeman. Yes.
I'm Morgan Freeman, and yes, we're all here for the same reason. Mint Customs, the series, Season 3.
Darling, you forgot your lunch.
Okay, how do we get everyone else involved in this trailer?
The Mint boys have been busier than ever, building custom motorcycles and filming Season 3. This is epic.
Turn up the music!
Got so much weight on my shoulders. It didn't have to knock me out, but I'm still holding the zone.
They say 3 is the magic number. Or maybe we're 3rd time lucky. But we're definitely 3 times wiser. We are learning, building, and creating the biggest season of Mint Customs you've ever seen right here on our YouTube channel. Our team is the strongest it's ever been. Our bikes are better than ever before.
Yeah, let them do a flyby.
And our filmmaking skills, well, they still need a lot of work. What about Alex, the weatherman? Why is he called the weatherman? Because it's always cloudy. And then there's Lee, the engine carrier. And of course, Hot Rod Tom.
You want honest man, but you don't understand. I wanna be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I wanna be here when you wake up again.
That's a wrap.
Please join me and the Mint boys on an epic journey of bike building, workshop chaos, and cups of tea. Please subscribe to the Parry Brothers YouTube channel. Welcome to Mint Customs.
You ready, yeah?
Dad just hit Tom's kill switch, and he the bike cut out, and he stopped.